In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your medical expenses using TurboTax. If you're trying to make sure your eligible medical costs are entered correctly, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside TurboTax so you can get to the medical expenses section and continue from there with confidence. To begin, sign in to your TurboTax account and open your return. From the main navigation area, click on Federal. This section is where TurboTax organizes most of the information related to your federal tax return, including income, deductions, and credits. If you're not sure where to start, this is the right place. Once you're inside the federal area, click on Deductions and Credits. This section is important because medical expenses are generally entered as part of your itemized deductions. TurboTax Groups. These tax-saving categories together so you can review them one at a time and see whether they may benefit your return. After that, look for the medical expenses section and click Review. This will open the medical expense interview, where TurboTax asks questions to help determine whether your expenses may qualify. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct category, especially if you're working through several deduction types in one session. Next, TurboTax will ask whether you spent more than $42 on medical expenses in 2025. Read the prompt carefully, then continue. Based on your situation, in this walkthrough, you'll want to select Yes. Choosing Yes tells TurboTax to move forward and let you enter more details about the medical expenses you paid during the year. From there, simply answer the remaining questions and follow the prompts on screen. TurboTax will guide you through the rest of the medical expense section step by step. Depending on your situation, you may be asked about doctor visits, prescriptions, insurance-related costs, or other eligible out-of-pocket medical expenses. The key here is to go slowly, review each screen carefully, and enter your information accurately. As you complete this part, it's a good idea to have your records nearby so your entries are consistent and easy to verify. That can make the process smoother and help reduce mistakes. And that's it. Once you've gone through the questions, TurboTax will use your answers to determine how your medical expenses fit into your return. If this video helped, you can continue on to the next section of your tax filing with a clearer understanding of where to enter medical expenses in TurboTax.